Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Desktop tutorial. So into the lecture we are going to talk about the text tool within the Power Query Editor. I'm just gonna open the Power Query Editor and we have the customer lookup table. So first of all we have the add tools and the transform. Within the add tool, if you use the text tool, it allow you to add a new column, but if you use from here transform, it allow you to overlap the existing column. So let's gonna go for add column first. So for example, if we have this prefix, let's gonna use go for format. Within the add columns, go to the format and we have capitalize each word. So if you click on capitalize each word, it allow you to add a new columns at the end of the table. The capitalize each word is allow you to make the first letter as uppercase and the remaining is lowercase. Let's gonna remove that. If you need to do the same, go for prefix, but now let's gonna go from the prefix, go to the transform, and from the transform we have format. From here capitalize each word, you'll see is updated the existing column, so it's overwrite the existing column prefix. It's not add you a new column at the end. So this is the difference between using the tools, the text tools from the column add columns and the transform. So let's gonna highlight the three columns. Just click Control with your keyboard, and from add columns you have this is merge columns. If you need to merge these columns, separated by the space, and let's gonna keep it this is full name. So this we have the prefix, this is Mr. and then we have the first name and last name. If you click OK, you will have a column at the end of the table. So you have the full name Mr. John Young and etc. But you can also close this one. If you need to overlap the existing, you can do the same. If you choose this one, and this one, three columns, and go to transform, and also from here go to merge columns separated by this space. I'm just going to keep it as merge, so it will overlap the existing data. Click OK. You will see all the two columns are left, only one column is merged. You'll have Mr. John Young. So the difference between transform and add column, this allow you to overlap, and this add you a new column at the end. And you can back easy, just click from here, merge it, one click allow you to backward, and also you can close this one, allow you to back one backward. Okay, so just gonna go from prefix and go to the transform, and from the transform let's gonna go format. This is capitalize each word, allow you to capitalize this one, and let's gonna add a new column at the end. Go from here, add columns, and we need to add this a new column separated by the space, and this is the full name at the end. So this is what we are looking for. We have full name at the end. We can back from home and apply and close, and your data will update with the main interface of Power BI Desktop. So this is all you need to know in this lecture, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.